the prisoner pasta, pasta alla carcerata. A recipe caught red-handed, breaking all the rules of Italian pasta. Cream, tomato, sausage, and a secret. We start with a petit grain, 1 onion. Slice it thin, maybe we'll get away with it. Then comes the wholesome parsley. That one never gets anyone in trouble. With its freshness, it lightens the sentence. We'll set it aside, our bail money for later on the plate. Now things get serious. 3 plum sausages, our aggravating evidence. Peeling off their skins won't soften the verdict, only the digestion. We crumble them up real fine and set them aside. Alright, time to commit the crime. Let's get those rigatoni boiling. Meanwhile, in a pan, heat 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Release the onion we had in custody earlier. Let it sizzle and confess. In goes the crumbled sausage. At this point, the damage is done. We can see the cell doors swinging wide open before us. Might as well let the sausage scream, and then hit it with some fire. While it rides in the pan and our stomachs are doing time, let's confess, no one really knows where this beautiful dish comes from. But hey, if you have got a credible source or a good story about its origin or its name, drop it in the comments below. For the flames, splash in some Italian brandy. Cognac if we're feeling classy, like something out of a heist movie. What a sight! A hellish kitchen, sinful, criminal. Now comes the Grand Guignol twist, tomato sauce. Followed perhaps by the most serious offense of all, a waterfall of cream. Yeah, we're going heavy. The smell in this kitchen hits like a taser. We're frozen in a vice of hunger, drooling like suspects caught in the act. A pinch of salt, a grind of pepper, the pasta is calling. We bring the crimes together. Stir them well. Hear that? not your stomach begging for mercy. I'm talking about that creamy sound, the sauce of our sins coming together perfectly. And if that's not enough, we kill the heat and make it rain parmigiano. Parmesan if you're really nasty. Generous, torrential. Forget house arrest. We're serving life. Still, the parsley goes on top, because even criminals deserve a little love. Look at that. Find yourself a lawyer who can save you now. Good luck. In between your hour of fresh air and plotting your great escape, don't forget to subscribe to Piatto Recipes, like and hype, and tell us in the comments what you think of this delicious crime.